don't be very hard on yourself. We are doing our best, coping with our works, retaining our jobs, and also coping with the e-learning and education process. At the same time, making sure that we are safe enough from this infection. I'm Dr. Shankar Kuchibatla. I'm one of the consultant psychiatrists practicing in Dubai. And I'm also the medical and managing director for Openminds Psychiatry Counseling and Neuroscience Center. In my opinion, the worries emerge from negative automatic thoughts on the uncertainty that may further lead to sadness, hopelessness, as they continue to stay away from the families of their families. And especially, needless to say, this is more in the case of expatriates who have been living thousands of miles away from their families. And there is a lot of uncertainty when they're going to see them again. And also they constantly worry about how the families have been keeping back home. So in my opinion, these are the biggest worries among people living in Dubai during COVID-19. First of all, my advice would be to learn to deal with the situation, but start letting go of things that are out of control. COVID-19 or Corona, it's something new. We are not responsible for that. We are not in control of it. We have to acknowledge that whole world is going through the same issue. And we are all doing our best to cope with the situation. The second thing is being not very hard on themselves. Going through such a situation for the last 4 weeks or more than that, I think it's a very big thing. So don't be very hard on yourself. We are doing our best, coping with our works, retaining our jobs, and also coping with the e-learning and education process. At the same time, making sure that we are safe enough from this infection. Last but not least, I think we have to respect and honor the law and the guidelines given by the authorities. We are trying to navigate through the various things at the same time. So please don't be hard on yourself. Think of how we can help the situation. Recognize that this is an opportunity to spend time with the children and the families and make most of it. I think until this time, we have been really worrying that we don't have much time to spend with the kids, especially those who have been working through a busy schedule and just having only the weekend to do the home errands or so on and so forth. But now this is a situation where we have an opportunity to make most of it with the family and children. Control your own worries and anxieties. Please do not express it aloud, especially in front of kids, because the kids are very fast to observe the things and recognize the things. There is something going on with parents, and that could be an indicator for their emotional issues to come in. So I would suggest please control the anxieties. Self-care is a very important aspect. Self-care in matters of sleep hygiene, or picking up an app of meditation, or making sure that you spend some time with yourself. And organizing and having a structure to the day, and at the same time involving the kids with this structure is very important, so that you don't really see something shocking, a demand from a kid, that he or she would like to have this happen today, so that you can work according to the priorities. Again, family time, taking some time out to play indoor games or board games, watching movies, and making sure that the kids are happy enough, with what is going on. Constantly checking that, they have any particular concerns, like to discuss with the parent. This is one of the important things. Last but not least, finally taking support and with a professional who has been dealing with these emotional issues is very vital to avoid any further deterioration of any emotional issues